What up, YouTube? Know it's been a minute. Excuse the look I just got off. Just trying to make a video for y'all. Like I said, I haven't been able to put nothing out lately. I've been on the move, been doing this, been doing that. So, just a little update on the stuff I got going on right now. I moved. Still been trying to get this little garage set up. Check this. My friend actually made this. The guy with the 13 Camaro that I did the supercharger on. He got this cut out of aluminum, little sign for me. I thought that was pretty cool. Shout out to Big Joe. But the more pressing stuff. So I moved in within a week of being out here. I'm in Nevada now. I bought this car, say 2000 BMW 328 Ci. Already has suspension upgrades, coilovers, adjustable rods, stuff like that. Some random cosmetic stuff. Came with a carbon fiber hood. I don't really like it, but I'll show you all this. I'll link this other video that I did before to kind of show you the overview of the video. Should be right now. All right, so essentially here I was just going through showing the car. Like I said, the body's in pretty good shape. Cosmetically illustrated. Like I said, this is the carbon fiber hood it came with. The hood release is messed up, so that's why the guy had safety wire and vice grips to pull the latch. I'm gonna probably put some arrow catches on it if I use this hood. Like I say, the fit is a little off. That corner right there is a little chipped. Other than that, interior straight. Does need to be clean, but like I say, the leather's all there. No rips, tears. Roof doesn't hang. Sunroof works. It is automatic, but when I do the swap, that's gonna probably switch to a manual. So other than that, pretty solid car. Like I say, it has coilovers, adjustable end links, tow bar, tow bar, camber plates, I believe. I'm not sure what the rims are. Kind of like it because it matched the bronze on the SS, but may do something different. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but I do like the stance and the way the car looks. So this is it. Like I said, broad view of it. Little shot under. Does have aftermarket, like I think it's like catback, and there's some of the suspension stuff. And then I'll come back to me. So it's gonna be the basis of my next build. Not necessarily what I wanted, but I got this car for $1,200, so I couldn't really beat that. And that's really one of the only reasons I got it. Only issue was the head gasket was blown. I think there's an issue with the cooling system, pressurizing it. I took it apart, placed the head gasket. Getting this head off was a little challenging at first, or it seemed like it was. A lot of stuff to take off the intake, tight spots, real tight in this BMW. But being that I had to do it twice, which you'll learn about later, it's not that bad. I may save this engine for something later once I do get the swap going. Put the head back on, only to find out that the bolt holes in the block were stripped. Took it back apart. Got a circuit kit drilled and tapped it, put the circuits in it. Put the head back on, clenched down fine, no issues. Everything went back together. I have a radiator, waiting for a radiator to come, should be in a few days, because this one I think does have a small crack in it. The car cranks, runs fine, but it's still building pressure in the cooling system. I didn't bleed it yet though, because I gotta get another radiator. So like I said, I'm not sure, maybe that was the issue that originally blew the head gasket, but it definitely is something going on with the cooling system. But don't really care. I'm trying to get it to drive as is for now, just to daily, and so I can let the SS sit for a while. And just so I can kind of feel out what else is going on with this car. I know it's a brake issue with the right driver's side, the rear driver's side. I know it leaks. So I'm just want to get the driver so I can see what else gremlins it has going on. However, this engine will not be staying in here. I'm doing either LS or I pick this up. This is a 2J VVTi. It is the non-turbo though, but however, if I use this, I'm going to be building the block anyway, or the bottom end, so I don't really care. For what I'm doing, I don't need the GT head and stuff. I thought about getting it, but like I said, looking at pricing and stuff for what it's worth, you know, some people say this, others say that. So I'm gonna just take that head. I'm gonna port and polish it. Got some plans for that: pistons, rods, hopefully cams, turbo kit. It's gonna take some time. It's definitely gonna take some money. So this isn't gonna be like super immediate, which is why I want to get this thing running as is. Like I said, it runs fine, cranks fine. I just have to find the issue with that coolant leak. Luckily, like I said, now that I've replaced it, I hated working on it, but it's pretty simple now that I know what I'm doing, since I had to do it twice. But cranks right up. Don't really have many issues. I don't even have a check engine light right now, but like I say, that system will pressurize if I let it run for too long. So I want to wait till I get to that new radiator and hopefully replace that and bleed it properly, and that'll be it for this. I can drive it while I get the parts for whatever engine I'm gonna do. But it's another reason I want to ask you guys, what engine do you guys think I should put in it? Should I stay LS? Should I go with the 2J? You know, all my stuff's been LS, and I kind of want to do something a little different. So that's the reason, you know, I'm trying to do the 2J. LS will probably be faster, probably be less expensive. I got a broader knowledge base of it. But at the same time, I want to do something different. But we'll see. Money is always an issue. So let me know what you guys think. And hopefully here soon. I'm gonna tear this down anyway. I got it for $200, which is one reason I got it. I couldn't really beat that. I know it doesn't have compression from what I was told. So I'm gonna tear it down. Like I said, I didn't really care because I'm gonna build a block anyway. But I'll build the bottom end. I don't know why I keep saying block. So once I get to tearing this down, maybe I can see what condition it's in. So I already said if it's in a decent condition, then I have a 50-50 option. Obviously, if it's the block's messed up or something, then I'll just probably get a 5.3 iron block, see if I can get it bored out to maybe 5.7. Put that in here, turbo, and you know, right down the usual alley for me. So we'll see though. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is just kind of getting a little update video, showing y'all the new car, new project car. Hope next time I catch y'all, it'll be some video of me maybe getting into this thing or getting into that thing. So I'll catch y'all later.